Meaning of gurgle.
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 Gurgle. The word gurgle refers to a bubbling or gurgling sound, often made by water. It can also describe the sound made by a person's stomach when they're hungry. When water gurgles, it usually indicates that it is flowing unimpeded through a channel or pipe, and can be a soothing or relaxing sound. The sound of a gurgling stomach, on the other hand, may be embarrassing or uncomfortable for the person experiencing it. Overall, gurgle is a descriptive word that evokes sounds associated with moving liquids or bodily functions.